Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 3A and our subject is mathematics. We are in the chapter 4 entitled as multiplication. Today in this video session we will discuss about lattice method. This is the another method of multiplication. Okay, and we will do exercise 4.9 also, and our topic is in page number 72 and 73. Okay, so let's start with our new topic. So first one is lattice method. So I have chosen an example which is multiply 32 by 12. So what you have to do, please follow the process. At first, since in this question you are multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number, so in this method at first you need 2 by 2 grid, since the both digits are 2-digit. Okay, both numerals are 2-digit numbers. So at first you need 2 by 2 digit 2 by 2 grids. That means 2 row and 2 columns. So I have drawn. Now you write the numbers along these. At first you write 32, then you write 1 2. If you write here 1 and 2 and here 3 and 2, it will be right. So at first you have to arrange the 2 by 2 grids, and we have to write the numbers along these. Okay, now draw diagonal in each box. So I have drawn one diagonal in first box. Similarly, you draw the second diagonal in the second box. You draw another diagonal in the next box. You draw another diagonal in the next box. Now multiply the digits. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. So you have to write 0 2 in the intersection of this box. So what is the intersection? This one and this one. So 2 1 means 0 2. 2 into 1 means 2. So you have to write 0 2. That means 0 here and 2 here. Similarly, you are multiplying by 3 into 1. Okay, so 3 into 1 means 3. That means 0 0 3. So you have to write 0 here and 3 here. Okay, now 2, now you multiply 2 and 2. So now 2 by, if you multiply 2 by 2, you will get 4. So it will be 0 and 4. Similarly, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so we have done. Now draw the diagonal along this. Okay, so now you have to add the numbers along these diagonals. So first diagonal is this. Now what will be the sum? Yes, so this is only one digit, so the sum will be 4 only. If you add these numbers along this diagonal, in the second diagonal, you will get 2 plus 0 is 2 and 2 plus 6 is 8. So you have to write here 8. Now if you add along these diagonals, you will get 3 and here 0. Now what is our answer? 384. So you have to write in this way. 384 is our product, right? So this is the process to solve the multiplication using lattice method. Okay, now the next example, multiply 658 and 47. So now you tell me how many grids will be needed. Since this is a 3-digit number and this is a 2-digit number, so you need 3 by 2 grids. That means 3 columns and 2 rows. So 3 columns and 2 rows. If you draw 3 rows and 2 columns, it will be okay. You will get the same answer. Okay, because you know if you change the order of the multiplication, you will get the same answer. So similarly, if you draw 3 row and 2 columns, you will get the same result. Okay, so now in this I have drawn 3 columns. So now you have to write the digit 658 along this line or along this edge and 47 along vertically. Okay, now you know you have to draw diagonal in each boxes. So I have drawn. Now what you will do, you have to do multiplication. You know here it is 8 and it is 4. So if you multiply 8 and 4, you will get 8 4 is 32. So you have to write 3 here and 2 here. That means you have to write 32 in this intersection. Similarly, 5 4 is 20. So I have written 20. Now 6 4 is 24. So now it is 24. Now 8 7 is 57. 56. So I have written 56. Similarly, 5 7 is 35. 6 7 is 42. Now draw the diagonal or draw the arrow along these diagonals. Okay, so I have drawn the arrow. Now you have to add the numbers. Now you have to add along these diagonals. So at first you have to do the addition from right end. So right end is 6. So if you add, you will get 6 only. So bring down 6. So I have brought down. Now you have to add these numbers along these diagonals. Okay, so if you add 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is 12. So you have to put only 2. Since you get 12, so you have to put only 2 and the 1 will be carried over in this diagonal. So if you add the numbers in the next diagonal, you will get 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8 and you already have 1, so 8 plus 1 is 9, so it will be 9 here. Okay, now you have to go the next one. So next one is 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. Similarly, you have to write here 0 and 1 should be carried over to the next one. Since here it is 2 only, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, now I'm circling only those digits which is the product. Okay, now you have to write left to right. Okay, so what is the product? Our product is 30926. That means 30,926 is our product. So this is the way to find out the answer using lattice method. Okay, I am again telling that since this is a 3-digit number and you are multiplying by 3-digit number by 2-digit number, so you have to arrange the grids 3 by 2. Okay, so I have arranged 3 by 2 grids and you have to write along this edge. So you have to write 658 along horizontally and 47 along vertically. Now draw the diagonal in each box and you have to multiply all the numbers along the boxes. Now you have to draw the diagonals along you have to draw the arrows along diagonals, and after that you have to do addition, okay, along these diagonals from right to left. You have to do addition right to left, and when you write the product you have to write from left to right. Okay, so this is the simple method. Now we will do our exercise. Now exercise 4.9. In question number 1 it says multiply the following using lattice method, and 1 has been done for you. So I am now solving question number B. So it is given 40 into 8. So it is already arranged the grid, that is, since you are multiplying 2 digit by 1 digit number, so it is needed only 2 by 1 grid. So 2 column and 1 row. So 2 columns are given and 1 row is given. So you have to write 40 along horizontally and 8 along vertically. So it is written. Now you have to do multiplication. So 0 8 is a, 0 always, so it will be 0. So now you have to write 0 and 0 in intersection, and 4 8 is a 32, so you have to write 32, and now you have to add along this diagonal, along this row you will get 0. You have to start from the right end, from right end to the left end. So 0 plus 2 is 2 and it is only 3. So what is our product? 320. Because when you write the product, you should have to write from the left to right. That is, our product is 320. Okay. Now similarly, if I solve question number E, you will get 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6. So here it will be 6. If you add 0 plus 7 you will get 7, and here is only 2, so it is our product 276. Similarly, C, D, F you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now I am solving question number J. Question number J, here it is given 3 by 2. You are multiplying 3-digit number by 2-digit number, so you need 3 by 2 grids. So it is already given. Now you have to draw the diagonal in each box. So I already have drawn. Now you have to write the number. So at first you have to write 205 along horizontally. So I have written 205 and 14 along vertically. So I have written. Now multiply the numbers. 5 ones are 5, so it is 0 5. 0 ones are 0, so both will be 0, and 2 ones are 2, that means it is 0 2. Okay. Now 5 fours are 20, so it is 20. 4 zeros are 0, that means both will be 0, and 4 twos are 8, so you have to write 8. Now draw the arrow. I am drawing the arrow because you have to add these numbers along this diagonal. So you have to start from the right end. So the right end is the 0. If you add these numbers along this one, you will get 5 plus 2 is 7. Similarly, you will get 8 here, you will get 2, and you will get 0. When you write the product, so you have to start from the left end. So the answer will be 02870. That means 2870 is our product. Okay. Now rest of the part, this is your home task and you have to do by yourself. So that's all for today. This is the new method that is called the lattice method. Okay, go through this video and try to learn and do it. Thank you.